Hey y'all, it's Mary, and my mail just came and I was so shocked because I just ordered this. I'm not kidding you, like I just ordered this. This is the brand new Nomad palette, the Ghost Town USA. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it in person, y'all. I want to tell you that I have a love for Nomad Cosmetics. Their eyeshadow palettes are gorgeous. I don't have many of them. They are just a little out of my reach, but sometimes I have to do it. So I received my very first Nomad Cosmetics palette is the Berlin Underground, and I love this palette. I won this in a giveaway from Linda Skidmore. I will put Linda below, but I'm not sure that she's doing her channel much anymore, but I'll put her below in case she is. This is just a gorgeous palette, and it intimidated me quite a bit when I won it, but I was so excited. It's why I entered her giveaway. These are stunning colors, and I do use it, and I love it. This is the Berlin Underground, and when I first saw the palette, I wasn't too sure about it, but when I swatched it, that's when I knew it was gold. It was a treasure. It was a treasure, and I adore this palette, the Berlin Underground. And then, you know, like I said, it's maybe a little bit out of my price range, but you know what? I think I have come to the decision I'm going to try to collect as many as I can. I was very fortunate to be gifted this palette, the Akavango Safari. I know I say that wrong every time, but this is stunning. I was gifted this through the owners of Nomad. And this is gorgeous, stunning. I use it often. I mean, look at that. What they do is they travel and they get inspiration from their travels. So this palette was just launched. I'm not kidding you, like just a couple of days ago. And I follow them on Instagram. You should as well. They play games, and some people win the palette. I did buy it. They gave me a nice, very nice discount code, so I was able to buy it. And this came today, and I had no idea it was coming so quickly. So when I went to, you know how I always open a package first, but it was already opened. But I can see it's in there. So I'm just glad it got to me when it did. Oh my goodness, it's big and it's heavy. So let me just show you, here's the palette, okay? And then here are my other two palettes. It's bigger than the others. And it is on sale now, and they do have a sale on their website of a couple of palettes that they are retiring. But look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's Nomad Ghost Town USA, and I'm just taking in all that. There's so much on that picture. There's so much to see. It's real, and it's dark, so I don't know that you can really see it. So I will put their Instagram below. You can go see everything. I'll put their website below because you can go look at it on their website as well. And then here are the colors, and of course we're going to open it and we're going to swatch it. And it came with a postcard. Oh, that's right. If you were, I don't remember how many, the first so many that bought the palettes, there's a postcard that you could win. You could win some money, I think it is. So gold panning and ghost hunting. So this is the new Ghost Town USA Intense Eyeshadow Palette. The destination: in barren terrain, down dusty gravel roads rest deteriorating mining towns of America's Wild West. Once bustling settlements full of strike-it-rich fever, they now are in arrested decay 100 years after fortunes and residents vanished. From Calico, California to Garnett, Montana, these ghost towns are full of unexpected sounds, unexplained sightings, and unimaginable tales that suggest perhaps they aren't as abandoned as they seem. And then it goes on to tell you more about it, and pardon me, my nose is itching. So the color story, it says, is grit and gold. There's cool tone mattes in browns, greens, and blues, paired with shimmery metals of copper, gold, and silver. Now, I will tell you that like I said, I adore this palette, love it, and I use it often. I use it since I've gotten it recently, and I use it often. This is my favorite palette, but when I saw this palette, I told the owner, Miss Felicia, that I think this is my new favorite, just from seeing it on their Instagram. So let me open it, and let's look at it. Oh, you know, I don't want to ruin the box and I ruin things. I don't know why I can't open anything, y'all, but I can't. So I have to have a little help with an implement. So let's swatch. I hope that y'all will enjoy this. I know that people have already received it in PR and such like that, and they've already shown it, so you may have already seen it. The inside of the box is like, there's a moon, and it's like a scary night. Isn't that cool? And then look at this palette. Oh my goodness, I just have to take it in for a minute, y'all, okay? Look at that. Ghost Town, USA, and then it goes to when it was a hustling, bustling town. Wow. Oh my goodness, y'all. How cool, how cool. And it feels, it's cardboard. But I'm telling you, it feels a little bit like suede. I think it's just my excitement because it is cardboard, but there's the back and then there's the front. Isn't that exciting? I love it. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Of course, there's gonna be a mirror on one side. So let me open it. And there is the color saver, which I will be taking right off. Oh my goodness. All right, let me put this box in front of the mirror so you can see it. I want you to see it upright. I want to see it. I want to see it upright. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you. You know, you can't pick a favorite. They're all fabulous palettes. And when I look at their website, I want everyone. They don't sell them all. They go into retirement sometimes. And I hear that they're, oh, I forget the name of it. See, I'm bad with names, but they do have a couple palettes that they may be bringing back here and there. So shimmers, mattes, shimmers, mattes, shimmers, and mattes. Okay, that's how it is. And I don't know if you can see, but hey, Smudge, there's always stamps on their colors, and they're Nomad. This, you can't really see it because it's so dark. Is that the only one that has the N in it? Which is their, you know, their emblem. And then so there's cowboys, there's a skull with horns, you know, very Old West. There's a pick and a shovel. There's a windmill, and a few, and go like a ghost and things like that. Okay, let's swatch, y'all. Isn't it stunning? Oh, I just want to admire it. I just want to admire it. I am admiring it. Smudge. I don't know what they're up to, but I'm telling y'all, with cats, you can hardly have anything nice. All right, if you'd like to stick around, I'm going to swatch, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm just so excited because, oh, I can't tell you. All right, let me see. What I'll try to do is go, I don't know. We'll see how I do it. Oh, see, you know, the minute you swatch, those little emblems or whatever, the impressions start to go away. So this is called Tombstone, Copper Penny, Garnet, Montana. Is that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know if they're all going to fit on me. Look at that. Now, you know, this right here, this, I love neutrals, and neutrals, I think, you know, anybody can wear neutrals. Some people say they don't like them, but neutrals are, anybody can use, they can use them for a base, and then you can blend other colors in, but neutrals are the most stunning and glamorous to me. But, oh my goodness, okay. They have cute names. This is Undead Sheriff. Now these are mattes. Those were shimmers. These are mattes. Bandit Queen and Deadwood. I'm not going to have enough room for everything, so let me see. Let's go down here with this. So, you know, look what you can do with these. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful? That was the Undead Sheriff. I love every bit of it. I love every bit of this, y'all. I do have a little thing, and then I have a towel on my lap. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Ooh. Oh no, I think some of them are, see, I have to read the palette. Quicksilver is like almost like a liquid to some extent. I'm sure there's a name to it. And this is Rhyolite, Nevada, and Ghost Train. Look at that one. And let's put those up here. Oh, wow. Look at those. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna wipe them off. I'll be right. That's half the palette there. Y'all, I get so excited I forget to tell you important things. It says on the back, designed on location, ghost hunting in America's Old West. Proud supporter of Birds of Prey at the Peregrine Fund. And it is vegan and cruelty-free. No parabens, phthalates, or mineral oils. The destination is American Frontier. Coordinates are haunted towns and abandoned mines. And inspiration, there's ghost in them, their hills. So that's how far I got so far. I was looking to see if it would tell names because, you know, sometimes they have different names for shimmers and things like that. So, and I don't always know those names, so that's what I was looking for, but I don't see that anywhere. Doesn't mean it's not there. Oh my goodness, these, see the cool tones. This is, see, I love warm tones, neutrals, and cool tone neutrals. This is Skinner Saloon, Calamity Jane, look at that, and Dead Man's Hand. Oh my goodness. Teals and grays and like real teals. A lot of people call all these different colors teal, but teal is really like that. Okay, on to some more. These are now the next batch of shimmers. This is Gold Rush, Calico, California. Look at that. And Smoky Quartz. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Calico is gold, but it turns green here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, do y'all love eyeshadows like this? Do y'all love makeup like this? Yeah, it's since my channel, I mean, I've always liked eyeshadows, but since my channel, I'm just in love with eyeshadows. This one is Ghost Town, Stagecoach Mary, and Arrested Decay, and these are mattes. Look at those. Okay, so I've got some shimmers up here and some mattes down here, shimmers and mattes. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my new favorite, y'all. And you know, I can't help it that I love it. I can't help it. They're gorgeous, they're stunning. And you know, they are, you know, these to me are warm and cool as well. And these to me are warm. And I love neutrals with some pops of color. And that's what we got going on here. Some warms and some mostly cools. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Now when I just was showing you that Ghost Train looks really pink here. And it doesn't look like that when I'm looking in the pan. I mean, there's so much shimmer and sparkle. It changes a little bit. Thank y'all for coming by and seeing this stunning palette. And I want to thank especially Felicia is one of the owners, her and her partner. They do the traveling and they have the inspiration and they are the artists that make these gorgeous palettes. And I'm just so proud for them. I wish them the very, very best. They do fantastic work. And I love a nice, small American-made company. And that's what they are. And thank you so much for this fabulous palette. And thank you so much for the discount code. I really, really enjoyed it, using it. Oh my gosh, y'all. So you'll be seeing me with these colors. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Thank you so much.